So we're gonna talk about the things Maya got for school, okay?
Yes.
So like and subscribe, guys, to Maya's Wonderland channel. Hope you guys like it.
So let's get in the video.
So guys, this is for Maya's first year of
This is-
school.
This is how you unpack it. So,
She's gonna be starting school soon in August. Woo!
and this right here, you see right here, you gotta peel it off, take it down.
What is that for, Maya?
This is for my lunch.
Yay for her snacks, because you guys know in kindergarten you're gonna have snack time, right, Maya?
Yes. And look, you have two little baby sisters around.
Let's see. Ooh, isn't that
You
cute?
want the opens. Let's see where the silver is. So guys, I just really love this lunch bag. I'm gonna show you in the inside.
Nice. Why do you like that backpack, Maya?
Because it matches with the LLs.
Yeah, and you guys know Maya loves LOLs.
And I have a lot of LLs, as you guys can see.
A big LOL fan.
And let's close this lunch bag up. Put it right there. And I will show you on the inside of this LL backpack. Guys, I can put art in here, like some glitter, some markers and stuff.
Pencils,
Yes.
notebooks.
Pencils can go in here because we have each side. This one is long. I think they're long, yeah. And I'm gonna show you the inside.
It's cute. I love it.
The inside is pink.
It's so cute.
Okay, and guys, you
You have to remember that
go to school. It's very important. After school,
homework,
yes.
and then after homework it's
playtime.
so it's very important for
Yes.
everybody to go to school, right? So we can be somebody
Yes, somebody.
important.
Yes. Oh my gosh, it has a detail on there.
Ooh, look at that,
It has a
guys.
detail on there.
I love the little glittery LOL. They're so cute.
Yeah. This shape.
You're gonna put your color crayons, your pencils, erasers, your notebooks, right? Your homework is gonna go in there, most important. You're gonna have so much fun in
And
kindergarten.
let's see this one. The
Ooh.
You open it from this side. I hope it looks cute in there. Oh my gosh. There's a lot of this.
Take it out, take it out. Yay!
Oh my gosh. That has a star and a kiss inside it.
Look, guys. Wow.
There's a little bag.
That's so cute.
That you
Ooh, I
can
love
play.
it.
There's a little bag that you can open.
It's so cute.
Yep. I love it so much.
And then we're gonna use this one for what?
For fatty, for school.
For school, for walks, to go out.
Yeah.
You know, she can put her little toys in there.
So guys, the thing is about the bag that has shiny lips color. Even it has a shiny little nose that says, "Are you happy and no send me out?" And it has a little bag where you can
Oh, the little
put-
things to go around your hands, yes.
Yeah.
Hold on, you have to wait. You have to adjust it too.
This is how it looks like when it's on the bag. It's the same.
Yeah, one side you put it on a little wrong, but it's okay.
Yeah. And there's a little carrier in case you want to carry it at school.
It's fun, it's cute,
Yeah.
and you can go for walks, right?
Yes. And then there's like another thing right here. We're gonna see what it looks like.
Ooh, let's see it. Oh, isn't that cute? Look, guys. That's so cute. Wow. Guys, let us know what you guys think about this little backpack.
And the last one is the fancy purse.
Ooh, Maya, why do you like this?
Because that has shiny black. Look how
And what else?
That has like beautiful thing that has white. And we'll see what it looks like in the inside. I'm gonna tell you about it before you look in the inside.
Let's see.
It looks a little hard on the bottom, but a little thick here.
It's cute. I like it a lot. Why do you like fashion and fabulous purses, Maya?
Because
So this is something you guys need to know about Maya. She loves purses. She loves fancy purses, right, Maya?
Yeah. Okay. Is that on the right? Okay. So that has a long string where you can hold
Long
it.
little chain, so you can put it over your shoulder, right? So guys, we're trying to adjust it for her. But as you guys can see, ooh, look at that, Maya. Wow. Do you like it? Let's see.
Yes.
Turn around so we can see the purse. Other side. Perfect. Wow. She loves it, guys. She was really excited. Right, Maya?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. And
This is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give a big thumbs up. If you guys have
anything to say about these purses, comment below. Thank you guys. Bye.